this in 2012, but it took shape.
The members of the Parliamentary Forum on Social Protection were meeting the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Thomas Tayebwa, to discuss their achievements.
Honorable Sairo.
The MPs asked Tayebwa to support their efforts to have the age of the elderly who are eligible for the Social Assistance Grant for Empowerment, SAGE, lowered from 80 to 75 years or even below.
One is lowering the age of beneficiaries from the current 80 years to at least 75 or 70. This is one of the ASICs we are muting to you.
This is so crucial because between me and you, our villages have been left with our retired brothers and sisters who are the age of 65 above. And unless we get this money increased, they are going through hell.
The elderly are entitled to 25,000 shillings per month, but many times there have been delays in its disbursement. There have been also calls to lower the age of the elderly who receive the grant to 60 years. Tayebwa says the protection of the elderly should not be about money alone, but should be a responsibility of every community member where they live.
Would be us, in some cases, looking at homes for the elderly. Looking at homes for the elderly. In some places, there are elderly people in the villages who are dying of hunger. So before we go to government side, I want us to first go on the first line of defense, of protection, which is the community.
The MPs want the establishment of a social registry that can be used to identify the needy.
At the time when we were hit by COVID-19, we sort of had a crisis of determining who is vulnerable, who should get assistance first. And we thought that was because we were disorganized. We do not have a system of tracking what people are doing.
They also proposed that the elderly should benefit from the National Health Insurance Scheme if enacted and government projects that target them. JUMA KIRYA, NTV.